Craving cinematic sound without the clutter? The Philips Bluetooth 5.0 home theater system might be your answer. This sleek 2.1 channel setup combines dual bookshelf speakers and a wireless subwoofer, pumping out 420 watts of rich, room-filling audio. Designed for versatility, it supports Bluetooth 5.0 for lag-free music streaming and HDMI ARC for single-cable TV connections. But how does it perform day-to-day? Let's break it down. Starting with audio performance, the wireless subwoofer adds thunderous bass to blockbuster movie sync Dune's roaring sandworms or Interstellar's heart-pounding score. Meanwhile, the mid-range drivers handle vocals and instruments with surprising clarity, making jazz playlists and podcasts equally immersive. Bluetooth 5.0 maintains a rock-solid connection, even through walls, and NFC pairing simplifies linking devices with a quick tap. Gamers, take note. The low latency keeps dialogue and effects in sync during fast-paced titles like Call of Duty. Ease of use is a major win. The wireless subwoofer means no tripping over cables, and the plug-and-play setup takes minutes. The remote offers intuitive adjustments for bass, treble, and input modes, while HDMI ARC lets your TV remote control the volume. Need more inputs? Optical, USB, and O ports cater to gaming consoles, turntables, or flash drives. The minimalist design with slim speakers and a subdued subwoofer fits seamlessly into modern spaces. Priced under $200, this system punches above its weight, ideal for casual listeners and movie enthusiasts alike. It skips Dolby Atmos and voice assistance, but for crisp sound, wireless convenience, and hassle-free operation, it's a standout. If you're eyeing an affordable audio upgrade, this Philips system deserves a spot on your shortlist. Drop a comment with your go-to movie for testing speakers, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech deep dives.